It is disgraceful. I'm excited that His Excellency the President has changed the name from Kotoka to reflect the person who actually built the airport.
Okay.
Even though it's not Kwame International Airport, okay, it is back to Accra International Airport. And I think it's the best thing.
Thank you, sir.
Kotoka must be, apart from the name change, Kotoka must be prosecuted even in his death.
Why? Why do you say that?
Kotoka is the main reason why we are where we are today. He has to be treated as an enemy of the state. Anybody who overthrew Kwame Nkrumah destroyed the destiny of a whole country, changed everything that we had planned as a country, the industrialization, the vision that Nkrumah had. These guys allowed themselves to be used to destroy the destiny of even people who were not born. Everybody who is suffering today is because of what Kotoka did. And so we have to treat him as an enemy. And I'm excited that this decision has been made.
Yes, sir. I call back. Today, what do you expect from you?
I expect you to give me money. Tina.
No, but.
Any special message for your constituents?
Before never, the message you want to
What do you think about it?
Are you scared of being roasted?
Yeah,
No.
when you roast me, I'm scared for you.
It makes me happy.
It makes you happy.
Yes.
Have a good luck.